Good evening from here in London. So we are just heading into that closing bell on Wall Street. Equities do look set for a pretty solid finish for the day. S&P up just over 1% for the session. In terms of what we've seen, risk appetite was boosted largely due to comments from the IMF that they would be looking to boost their firepower. We also saw some reasonably solid economic data out of the US with a minor decrease in the PPI. We also saw a slight improvement in their industrial production numbers as well. In terms of US stocks, we did see some pretty positive numbers from Goldman Sachs in terms of their headline EPS. Their shares have been well up for the day, over 6%. And coming up, we have aftermarket earnings from eBay. They've seen some reasonably unusual option activity. They're currently down around 1% ahead of their earnings. The current expectations are for an EPS of around 54 cents and a revenues of 3.3 billion. So we'll keep a firm eye out for them. And they're reporting a few minutes after market, about 9:15 London time. In terms of tomorrow's calendar, it is relatively busy. In terms of data, it's largely US centric with the US initial jobless claims. We also have US CPI to look forward to. Philly Fed is also among the highlights. In commodity space, we have those DOE inventories to look forward to as well. In terms of US corporate earnings tomorrow, it is largely tech-centered. Some of the biggest names coming after market with Google and Microsoft reporting, as well as Intel and IBM. In pre-market, we have the likes of Bank of America and American Express, alongside Morgan Stanley to look forward to, with tomorrow their busiest day in corporate earnings for this week. So that's it for us. We hope you had a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.